Hello and welcome back to the Anxious Kid. My name is Kabir and this is day 4. Day 4 na? So this is kind of day 4 of my Almaty solo backpacking trip. And Samal, one of the locals who was coming with me, suggested that Kabir, let's meet somewhere over here. I don't know why did she say that, because this entire area is under construction. And first impression is of disappointment. So let's find Samal. Just on my this side, I don't know if it is your left or right. Maybe it is right. So on my right side, there is some man-made beach, and people are chilling out and people are taking a bath. But definitely I cannot pan my camera towards them. But ठीक है यार, कोई नहीं. I didn't want to disturb any of these people, but let me zoom in now. यार, they are just zoom हो जाए यार. हाँ, तो यार these people are just painting this environment or maybe something else, I don't know, but these girls here and this boy, this girl and those people all over there are just painting. What the hell, dude, this is so crazy. But for now we have to head 1 kilometer in this area. उसके बाद we'll find Samal and then waterfall and a lot of things. तो चलो, let's go. यार, since childhood I've heard a lot about man-made lakes and all, but this is the first time I'm seeing one in action. I'm sure they have drained a majority of water from this lake, and now construction has been going on, and I'm sure they're redeveloping it. And whenever the Kazakh government starts to redevelop some place, especially when you have nature meeting infrastructure, they do something crazy. And I'm sure whenever this project gets finished, it will be one hell of a beauty. I'm pretty sure about that. So the lake was not what I was expecting, and it felt like I'm in Greater Noida. But yeah, this one up close looks actually nicer. Let's zoom in a bit. I'm assuming that this is also a man-made thing, but here it looks good. And what else do you need when you have a stream running in the middle of the city? But okay, Astana is better when it comes to a river. And speaking of Astana, we have our leopard lady with us. This right behind me is crazy. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but भाई साहब, मस्त है यार ये चीज़. I hope you can listen to me because बहुत शोर है भैया, बहुत शोर है. थोड़ा नाला टाइप फील दे रही है. She has gone there and she has gone there on by her will, on her will. I haven't forced her. How can I force her? I cannot even force myself to do anything. So don't blame me. But now I'm glad she's back. Come on यार, वापस आजा. I am not. No, not at any cost. No. No. I'm safe here. I'm good, thank you. What? Kidnapping was 2 days ago. You have to find something new today. I am not coming. I'll go and shoot from there. No, I'm sorry. I won't be able to come there. So I'm at this store which is just beside this petrol pump, and Samal is buying something for herself. But bhai, look at this. It is kind of small. It's not big, but it is well kept. And one thing which I really like about the people in Kazakhstan is that they prefer eating healthy as well, and that has been taken care, and they are patriotic. This is their sign of patriotism. How? Because this is kind of it is called kurt, which is some traditional salty milk-based dish. So they have this a lot here. It is like the Kazakh traditional candy. You have all the different kinds of sandwiches and all. You have Starbucks coffee. You have milk and all, horse milk, and you have fruits. You have cut fruits. Just I think there is spoon in here as well. Get the spoon, eat it. Good. You're good to go. You have this salad bowl. I think I've seen this a lot of times in Astana also, but I'm seeing it again. You have olives, you have cucumber, some leaves. That is paneer. Oh, dude, that is paneer, cottage cheese, and you have baby tomatoes. So, like a lot of healthy options and a lot of vegetarian options, if not many. So, yeah. Okay, guys, you see this Myntra sign? This Myntra sign means metro in Almaty. I mean, I remember when I came here for the first time, I got so damn confused. Like, I was roaming around the same, not the same, but some other metro station for good 5 to 10 minutes, and I could not figure out that, where is the metro station? But this Myntra sign means metro, and we are taking the metro, and the place we are going next will take 1 hour, 40 minutes. Let's start the journey. Welcome to Almaty Metro, ladies and gentlemen. By the way, Anish is back. तो दिस इज़ सम सायरान मेट्रो स्टेशन, और यहाँ से वी हैव टू गो टू सम स्टॉप्स. उसके बाद उतरेंगे, उसके बाद देखते हैं आगे बस पकड़नी है. So I've crossed the security, and it is the similar like one we have in Delhi Metro, but Delhi Metro security is way more stricter and they frisk you a lot. This one was not like that, and look. It's empty. Oh yes, it is empty. This was my next point actually. Yeah, this place is so damn empty. This Delhi Metro can never be empty. Even when it is closed, you will find some people around working and maybe doing some maintenance work. But this place is completely empty. Yo, and she is doing her regular stuff. Journey of almost 1 hour, we are here, ladies and gentlemen. We are here. Let's cross the road for once. Chalo, it's safe to cross. And boy, oh boy, we are here. And if I zoom in for you, those are the planes. Let's zoom in a bit more. Focus ho ja. I can spot a Flyeristan. I can spot another Flyeristan. This is the bigger one. Either it is A380 or Boeing 777. And then in the blue, I don't know which brand it is, which airline. But all of these are Flyeristan. And look at the environment. There's a takeoff. Did you see that? Did you see that coming? Boy, oh boy, maza aa gaya. And I think, if I'm not wrong, I can see a white light again, and I'm assuming this one is also off an airplane, and we can expect another takeoff very soon. Let's capture that as well. And here comes another one. There it goes! There goes another one! Yes! Oh, how are you feeling now? First recommendation from my end in Almaty, and how is it?
I was expecting it to be bigger, and that's what she said.
छी यार अंजी भाजी कैसा लगा ओए यार now we are expecting a landing of Flyer Astana from Astana to Almaty. Let's see when it comes. Ladies and the gentlemen, there is another plane which is taking off, and here it goes. Unfortunately, the winds are not in our favor today and we cannot see any of the landings because landings are happening from there. तो वहाँ से प्लेन आते आते यहाँ लैंड करेगा, सॉरी इस एरिया में लैंड करेगा एंड फिर वहीं से लेते लेते टेक ऑफ हो जाएगा. So I think that is headwind and tailwind, and like if I'm not wrong, the planes who have to take off need tailwind and the ones who have to land need a headwind. तो उस हिसाब से we are not in the this is not so this is not our day today. ठीक है यार जो भी है, at least we are seeing the takeoffs. Almaty to Astana, Flyer Astana on my back. Silkway West from Almaty to somewhere, I don't know. A Boeing 777, a Boeing 477, I don't know, on my back. So we did not get much of a success, but whatever we did, it was quite an experience. But while walking,
We got free peach.
yeah, that was about. I was about to say, why you have peaches here? You did something to my bag, right? So you have peaches here, yeah. This is a tree full of peaches. What the hell? Nice, yeah. So, amidst all this greenery you can see around me, we are at the Encision Cathedral, and it is believed that once an earthquake struck Almaty and almost everything went down in shambles except for this church. We are in the premises of that church, and soon we might be able to spot that church. It is a Russian Orthodox church, and you have seen those kinds of churches with me in Astana a lot of times before. So let's go have a look at that church again. So just in front of me is one of the major monuments of Almaty. You will see the name flashing somewhere here on your screens, and it's like the India Gate of India. You have some stone monument here and flowers in the memory of the warriors of Kazakhstan. And if we go a bit more forward, you might be able to see now uh, that flame over there is the Amar Jawan Jyoti of Kazakhstan. So yeah, people are getting themselves clicked. I intend to get myself clicked here as well. And then just at the back side of this monument is the Incision Cathedral. This monument is massive, pretty massive to be honest. You have to see it to believe it, and the way it has been built, boy oh boy, I'm impressed. So at my back now you can see the main entrance to the Incision Cathedral. We came somewhere from there, and this is how the face of this church looks like. So yeah, I was inside the church, and it seems to be way more orthodox than we have the ones in Astana, because women were supposed to cover their heads, and I think men were supposed to not cover their heads. Photography, videography was not allowed, and a lot of other things were mentioned like this. And I think the working hours or the excursion time was written till 4. It's already 5 and still people were going inside. So like, let's go inside, take a look, and thank the God. I'm not Christian, I'm agnostic, but I mean, this is a place where people come to pray. So I was like, what a nice way to actually kind of bring an end to our journey. Tomorrow will be my last day in Almaty, and after that I'll be heading back to Astana with the other. We are heading towards most probably our last location for the day, and that is Koktobay, and I will see you at Koktobay itself. So we are at the final location of our day, and to be honest, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, and with the kind of lighting you can see around, I'm not sure if I'll be able to get some nice good shots. So I'm calling it a day. The vlog ends here, but you will find a nice vlog of Koktobay which was made by my friend a couple of years ago in the description. You can definitely check that out. It's a pretty good vlog. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one on, if I'm not wrong, day 5 of my solo backpacking trip, which is my final day actually in Almaty. Okay, so goodbyes, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. यार क्या यार, मतलब the higher you go, better views you get. What the hell, dude? It's so damn beautiful. I know I'm repeating myself, but guys, do come to Almaty. And like, people are big assholes. Sorry for this word, but people are big assholes. But other than that, this place is so damn beautiful. It has so many different kinds of hikes of all different levels. You will enjoy your days, and you will be like, yaar, thoda aur din bita lete. But then some or the other thing will get you back to your home. But bhai, it's so damn beautiful, and now I can spot a plane. Flash off karte hain. Flash off, thoda sa zoom, and now you can see the plane. This is not a UFO, this is a plane. Focus करने की कोशिश हो रही है, हो नहीं रहा उतना, but this is a plane. So counted in the BTS, but like, this was something I really wanted to show you. Koktobay people have made a separate way for pedestrians. It starts from somewhere over there where I kind of actually ended the vlog, and then we are heading upwards from here. There are no safety railings, so it might be a safety concern, but if you have to watch the city lights, and if you have to see the city from high up, this is your place. Dude, you have to come here to believe it. I'll add some night mode pictures. So this is a mono coaster. I've done it before. I'm not doing it again. One of the reasons is that it is costing 5,000 tenge now, and I had done it in 4,000 tenge if I'm not wrong. But I mean, in all seriousness, I'll highly suggest that you keep some money for this. 5,000 tenge is almost 800-900 rupees. But why am I recommending this to you? Despite that inflation has hit this place as well. The reason is that now I'm seeing that they have improved the quality of the cars, and the track size has also the track length has increased as well. So I'm sure it will be worth all your money, because I've experienced it. It is one of the craziest things you can do in Almaty, so don't miss it. Where a few weeks ago I had posted something on my WhatsApp story where I was coming back after dropping one of my friends टू द एयरपोर्ट, और उसके बाद हुआ क्या कि बस वाले ने लाइट ही बंद कर दी एंड ही वाज लाइक यार मुझे घर जल्दी जाना है, तो जो भी जिस भी बस स्टॉप पे है बता दो, वहाँ स्टॉप द बस एंड उसके अलावा कहीं नहीं रुकेगी बस. एंड वैसा मेरे साथ 2 साल पहले अलमाटी में भी हुआ था. राइट नाउ आई एम अगेन इन अलमाटी, आई एम अगेन डूइंग दैट सेम लोकेशन. कोकतोबे से वापस अपने हॉस्टल, अभी हॉस्टल तक तो नहीं जा रही है, बस उससे 1 किलोमीटर पहले तक रुकेगी, तो वहाँ तक मेरी जर्नी होगी अभी. एंड दिस इज़ क्रेजी. दिस इज़ लाइक द एग्जैक्ट रिविजन ऑफ व्हाट हैड हैपेंड विद मी 2 years ago when I was with a lot of my other friends. अभी तो चलो सोलो ट्रिप चल रही है, but oh your boy, this journey, this Almaty trip has been crazy so far, and I hope that my last day, which is tomorrow, goes great as well. अब तक अगर सीरीज पसंद आई, अब तक अगर वीडियो पसंद आई, so do drop in a like, do drop in some comments, follow me on Instagram turn.anxiouskid, and I'll wait for all your responses. And she's the one who actually made it all possible. Thanks a lot, Yasamal. Thanks a lot.
The student discount.
Yeah, I mean, all of the people around in this bus have paid 200 tenge, but all thanks to this lady, we have paid only 120 tenge. Thank you. Now, if you may ask, कि यार Kabir, you have been in Astana for a very long time. 4 years is a long time, dude. And then this is your Almaty trip. I've been here before when the Anxious Kid was not existing. So, is there any difference? Yeah, do I find Astana to be better or Almaty? I'll definitely say Astana is better. And the reason is simple. I come from Delhi, and this entire area, if you have been to Delhi or if you have been to the outskirts of Delhi, you will feel that यार ये तो थोड़ा आनंद विहार टाइप एरिया हो गया, या फिर नोएडा, ग्रेटर नोएडा वाला एरिया हो गया, गाज़ियाबाद टाइप. यार मुझे किसी फॉरेन कंट्री में आके वही चीज़ वापस फील नहीं करनी थी. तो दैट्स वाई आई एम काइंड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटेड विद Almaty, and there are a lot of other reasons. Actually, I'm thinking of making a video where I draw a comparison of my experiences in Astana versus Almaty, and then you get to know which points are valid for you and which are not. And like that would be my take, and it would be based on my experience. So if you really want a video like that, then please do let me know in comments, and I'll fasten up that process. I'll hasten whatever be the word. I'll just make that video quickly and I'll post it on YouTube as soon as possible. वैसे भी पोस्ट करना है, बट इफ़ यू गाइस से कि हाँ यार बना ही देना वीडियो, तब थोड़ा और जल्दी कर लेंगे, है ना. चलो अभी के लिए लेट्स फाइंड समाल एंड अनीश.